Now I'm going to bring on a young fella who I've known all his life. He's going to be great. He is great now, Mr. Ricky Hetherington.
Do you wanna make me cry, cry, cry? Well, I do my best, really do I try. So why will these people in the world take